What if you could eliminate those frustrating, she said, moments on the job site? What if you could provide irrefutable proof of your team's excellent work, or clearly document pre-existing damage, all from the palm of your hand? Imagine a world where every service call, every installation, every repair is meticulously documented, leaving no room for doubt or dispute. We've all been there. A customer remembers something differently, or a technician needs to explain a complex issue to a colleague who wasn't on site. In the fast-paced world of field service, miscommunication can lead to costly callbacks, damaged reputations, and a whole lot of unnecessary stress. But what if there was a simple yet powerful solution built right into the tools you already use every day? Today, we're diving deep into a feature within ServiceTitan Mobile that can revolutionize your field documentation, adding photos to jobs. This isn't just about snapping a quick pic. It's about leveraging a robust system to enhance accountability, improve communication, and ultimately, elevate your customer service. Whether you're a seasoned ServiceTitan user or just starting out, understanding how to effectively utilize this feature will transform your workflow. Think about it. Before a job begins, you can document the existing condition of equipment or the work area. This protects your business from accusations of damage and sets clear expectations. During the job, you can capture progress shots, showcasing the quality of your work and providing visual context for any decisions made. And after the job is complete, you can provide a comprehensive visual record of the finished product, offering peace of mind to both your team and your customer. This isn't just about proving what did happen. It's about preventing what could happen. It's about building trust, fostering transparency, and ultimately, making your business more efficient and profitable. So, let's explore how to unlock the full potential of photo documentation within ServiceTitan Mobile. Get ready to streamline your operations, minimize disputes, and boost your customer satisfaction, all with a few taps on your device. The process of adding photos in ServiceTitan Mobile is incredibly intuitive, designed to be quick and efficient so it doesn't slow down your technicians in the field. There are a few key places where you can add photos, depending on the context of the image you're capturing. Let's start with the most common scenario: adding photos directly to the job itself. When you're on a job in ServiceTitan Mobile, you'll typically navigate to the job details screen. From there, you'll see various sections like Overview, Tasks, Materials, and crucial for us today, Photos. Tapping on the Photos section will open up the photo gallery for that specific job. Once you're in the photo gallery, you'll see an option, usually a camera icon or a plus sign, to add a new photo. Tapping this will give you two choices. Either take a new photo using your device's camera, or select an existing photo from your device's gallery. For most field documentation, you'll want to take a new photo to ensure real-time accuracy and context. When you take a new photo, ServiceTitan Mobile often allows you to immediately add a caption. This is a critical step that many technicians overlook but shouldn't. A photo without context is just an image. A photo with a clear, concise caption becomes powerful evidence or valuable information. For example, pre-existing crack in HVAC unit casing, or new filter installed, April 2025, or electrical panel before wiring upgrade. Be specific and descriptive. After adding the caption, you'll save the photo, and it will be instantly uploaded and associated with that particular job. This means anyone with access to that job in ServiceTitan, whether in the office or on another mobile device, can view that image and its accompanying description. Now, let's talk about other strategic places to add photos. You can also add photos directly to specific equipment. This is incredibly useful for tracking the condition and service history of individual assets. If you're inspecting an air conditioner, for instance, you might want to add photos of the condenser coils, the model number, or any specific damage directly to that equipment record within the job. This builds a rich historical visual log for that piece of equipment, which is invaluable for future service calls or warranty claims. Similarly, photos can be attached to specific deficiencies or recommendations. If you identify a problem, like a leaky pipe or a worn-out component, you can create a deficiency in ServiceTitan and then attach photos directly to it. This provides undeniable proof of the issue and helps the customer understand the necessity of the recommended repairs. It also acts as excellent backup for your sales team if they need to follow up on proposals. Beyond just adding single photos, ServiceTitan Mobile often supports adding multiple photos at once, or even creating simple albums within a job. This is great for capturing different angles of an issue, or for documenting a sequence of steps during a complex repair. Always aim for clarity and completeness in your photo documentation. A common question we get is about photo resolution and storage. ServiceTitan is designed to handle photos efficiently, optimizing them for mobile viewing and quick uploads while maintaining sufficient quality for documentation. You don't need to worry about your device filling up or slow performance. The platform takes care of the technicalities so you can focus on the job. Finally, let's touch on best practices for taking photos in the field. Good lighting is crucial. Use your device's flash if necessary, or open curtains/blinds to get natural light. Get close enough to capture detail, but not so close that you lose context. Take multiple photos from different angles if it helps to tell the story. And always add those descriptive captions. A consistent approach to photo documentation will significantly benefit your entire team. Imagine a scenario. A customer calls complaining about a new scratch on their wall after your technician left. Without photo documentation, it's your word against theirs. But with a quick photo taken before work began, clearly showing the pristine wall, you can quickly resolve the dispute, save your reputation, and avoid a costly settlement. This is the power of leveraging photos in ServiceTitan Mobile. It's not just about images. It's about clarity, accountability, and peace of mind for everyone involved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.